Hi guys, so this is a very simple and everyday sort of makeup look which I do almost on a daily basis when I go to work or to meet my friends. I have not used foundation but still there is a bit coverage, so now without wasting any time we should start with the tutorial. So first things first, I'll be clipping back my hair because I don't want any sort of disturbance. And by the way, these are my second day hair after hair wash. I have already uploaded the blow dry tutorial, so if you're interested you can watch it in my channel. So I'll start with this Bobbi Brown का मॉइस्चराइज़र. ये मुझे एक सैम्पल के जैसे मिला था आई गेस टीरा में. This is my third time using this moisturizer and honestly I feel कि budget range में भी Bioderma and Minimalist के moisturizer are equally good. जब तक ये मॉइस्चराइज़र लग रहा है आई विल बी वेयरिंग माई these earrings from Nykaa. Yes, it's from Nykaa fashion I guess. By the way, these are really pretty. I'll link it down below अगर मुझे इसका लिंक मिलता है तो. Now I'll be applying, मतलब 5 मिनट हो गए, उसके बाद I'll be applying this primer from Inside. It's a pore blurring primer and I already have very textured skin as you can tell. This lip balm is from Sugar Pop. I used it for the first time and honestly it was too pigmented for my liking. Now this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer over my eyelid just to prep my eyes before eyeshadow. I'll be mixing it with this Curves and Lashes का concealer brush. I'll link it down below कि exact number क्या है. Then I'll be going in with this brow soap. It helps to tame your eyebrows and keep them in place, although we'll be repeating it at the last also. It's very affordable. I guess it was around 300 or something. Now instead of foundation I'll be going in with this Dot & Key का sunscreen, and by the way the texture is amazing. Believe me, I am in the shade 01 porcelain. Trust the process. I know it looks very whitish right now, but believe me, एक बार ये blend हो जाता है तो it looks very flawless. We'll be applying it on our neck as well because foundation is obviously a must. Although it takes around 3 to 5 minutes to blend very nicely, but एक बार जब ये blend हो जाता है I think you can see the shine or the glow I should say. Now दूसरा झुमका भी, and I'll let my base sit for 5 to 3 minutes. Now instead of going in with the eyeshadow I'll be taking this blush shade. It is pink sort of shade. Back of my palms में I'll swirl it पहले, उसके बाद में we'll go on our eyelids. Right now I'm just placing the pigment, not blending it. Blending हम इसके बाद में करेंगे because I don't want very harsh lines, तो I'm just doing it बहुत lightly. This is the small crease brush by Curves and Lashes. उनके makeup brushes are too good and very affordable. You can definitely check them out. Now comes the difficult part, which is kajal. This kajal is from Plum. I am not using any sort of eyeliner in this look. Still I want that little wing. So what I'll be doing is first अपने upper eyelid के ऊपर में I'll be applying it. Then with my nails I'll try to make a small wing. बाय द वे वी डू नॉट नीड टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज यहाँ पर, क्योंकि एंड में हम इसको थोड़ा सा स्मच करेंगे ही फॉर दैट स्मोकी सॉर्ट ऑफ इफेक्ट. नाउ आई विल रिपीट इट ऑन दिस आई ऑल्सो. अगेन बहुत हल्के हाथों से we'll just outline our upper eyelid or upper waterline. Now this brush is by Mars. It's a great smudger brush. By the way, I have not taken any eyeshadow or any brown eyeshadow, grey eyeshadow इस brush में. ये साफ brush I have used it here. This one is by Pack. I have already taken a very little amount of brown eyeshadow just to diffuse the harsh lines, if any. And believe me, this step makes a lot of difference. Now this is Sunkissed by Maybelline. Although they call it a blush, but I love to use it as a bronzer because you can see कि कितना एक warm effect देता है आपके face को ये. And it also has very right amount of and very perfect amount of glitter particles जो कि डे टाइम में भी बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक शाइन नहीं करते हैं, स्टिल वो आपको बहुत अच्छा फिनिश देगा. So if you have textured skin, instead of going in with a highlighter, you can definitely consider this. And I think it was around 400 or something. I have also applied it on my temples. एंड मैं इसको आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ कि मेरे हेयर लाइन के अंदर चले जाए, लाइक हेयर लाइन के डायरेक्शन में चले जाए ताकि बहुत हार्श ना लगे. नाउ आई विल बी हाईलाइटिंग some of my parts. Although I do not have very dark pigmentation, तो under eyes, around the mouth and forehead पे I'll apply this concealer. It is in the shade light, by the way. Now this is my favorite concealer brush. It's from Mars. It gives that really air filtered kind of look. Blending everything into my hairline. The focus should always be to take things from center to periphery of your face, मतलब face से दूर ले जाते हुए, to give that sort of lifting effect. And also it looks very soft on the corners, because usually जब हमारा फाउंडेशन कॉर्नर्स पे ब्लेंड नहीं होता है ढंग से, तो इट मेक्स अ वेरी क्लियर बाउंड्री सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, जो कि बहुत केकी लगता है. Now this is the loose powder from Maybelline. I'll be using it to set my under eyes. Under eyes पे I'll go very less. I'll take very less product because we don't want creasing. Now with the pizza puff, I'll be baking my lower part of my face. क्योंकि मैं कंटूरिंग कर नहीं रही हूँ, सो आई स्टिल वांट थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशन ऑन माय फेस, सो आई विल बी गोइंग ऑन विद दिस स्टेप. एंड लास्टली सेटिंग एवरीथिंग विद पाउडर, like pressing everything in with powder to avoid any extra shine. Now this is in the shade Bombay. This one is from Nykaa, their lip liners, and it's quite long lasting also. I'll be smudging the corners just to give very seamless and blurry sort of effect. Now this is a lipstick palette. It's really affordable and the colors are extremely nice, nude and muted sort of. So if you're someone who like such colors, you can definitely invest in this palette. Now just to add final touches on this look, this setting spray is from Rene. It's really nice. We'll wait for 5 seconds. Then again we don't want any extra product now, तो जितना भी उस पिज़्ज़ा पफ में बचा हुआ था उसको I'll be dabbing on my face just to set everything in place. क्योंकि अगर आप सेटिंग स्प्रे के बाद में ये नहीं करोगे तो बहुत ऑयली लगेगा आपका फेस. नाउ द फाइनल स्टेप, ब्राउज को एक बार फिर से आई विल सॉर्ट ऑफ लेमिनेट. Because this is a everyday sort of look, I'm not going in very harshly with my brows. I've not applied any other product. Even this soap is also very clear. Now this is my favorite step. I never skip it, especially अगर आपने अपनी आँखों पे स्मोकी आई किया है या थोड़ा सा भी आईलाइनर भी अगर बस लगाया है तो भी आई फील यू शुड नेवर स्किप दिस स्टेप. Because see the difference it makes. I just love this one. This one is from, this is some local brand. I got it for 120 rupees, I guess. Yes, it looks so pretty. Then finally this one is Sky High from Maybelline, their mascara, just on the outer parts of my eyelashes. I'm not going too heavily with this, बस थोड़ा सा. So this is it. This is our final look. This is really wearable, and also because we have not used any heavy or thick foundation, it's good for oily skin people. It lets your skin breathe, and I really hope you like this makeup look. So definitely subscribe me for more such videos, and do comment below कि आप next किस चीज़ पे वीडियो चाहते हैं, what sort of makeup look you want. And thank you so much for watching my video till end. It really means a lot to me. This was my first makeup tutorial.